Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody guys. Today will be just brief update on the gold market because situation here is changing slowly, as you can see. So pullback from the resistance area that we have specified has started. So but this pullback stands a bit too slow compared to what really should happen. And when you see the pullback from the strong level despite the strength of the rally that has happened before that, usually this pullback should be a bit stronger. It's more direct action should be. While here we see just mostly it remains mostly some retracement with the bull trend rather than the reaction on the strong resistance. It means that although we do not cancel our view on the possible deeper retracement to the 1205, but the action that we see, it really could become the sign that the first upside spike could happen before the real pullback will start. So we have talked about this previously, but day by day this situation becomes more and more realistic that this indeed could happen. If you'll take a look at the follow time frame chart, here you can see what we have. Got people to buy. This pullback that has happened yesterday, as we have talked about it, our action has continued, but this action is too slow, and here you could even recognize a kind of the wedge pattern is forming. Combining this action with the MACD indicator, you could see that kind of the bullish dynamic pressure probably is developing, because trend has turned bearish, but market doesn't create the new lows. So this is kind of more flat action mostly, and till yesterday moment we could say that the market is forming higher lows. It's kind of a triangle is forming. So it means that although we here could foresee and recognize a possible hand shoulders pattern, and maybe indeed it will be formed, maybe something will change, but currently guys, in the current circumstances, well, if you have short position here at top, instance with the downward action, move your step to the break even and don't worry about anything. Well, if you do not have short position and you still would like to take the position on this possible retracement, I think that currently it's not a good moment to do that. By two reasons. First of all, yesterday we already have talked about it. So if it would be the hand shoulders, our entry point not on the slope of the head, but on the right arm of the market, on the retracement. Because here some surprises could be formed. As I said, market could suddenly start an upward action. Here, chance on this a bit more, a bit less. So if market finally will hit the XOP target, complete the neckline, starting upward retracement, well, that will be a bit safer opportunity to go short. By many reasons, one of them is just you will be closer to the invalidation point, and your potential loss will be very small. So that's why even for taking short position, it's better to wait for our passion, completion of this passion, and that will allow us to minimize possible negative surprise if you somehow jumped in occasionally in the market and then market shows the upward rally. But in general, as I said, it's too slow action here on the slope of the head. It's a more bullish sign rather than bearish, and we should be ready and prepared for any surprise. And one of them could be occasional spike up to the 1235 and final completion of the OP target. I wouldn't be worried about it too much if we have OP target already has been hit, but existence of untouched major daily target, it's always brings the risk to any short position on the market. That's why currently I would say that it's better to wait more and do not be hurried with the taking the short position. I suppose that it would be still the chance to go short at the better overall context, when it will be a bit better for this purpose. So currently it's not very good position trying to take the short position.